All right, so I just got this email from Take Profit Trader. They do not play when it comes to this rule. Records indicate that one of our trading rules has been broken on your account. Take Profit Trader Pro. This is a funded account. Please log in to takeprofittrader.com to see which rule was broken. So I first got it for this email and for this account, and then no, I first got it for a eval, and then I got it for this one. And when I go to Take Profit Trader, and this is the pro account, right? And I'm gonna show you what it does. How am I doing? What rule did I break? And I still had drawdown. Uh, don't hold open positions past 17 Eastern time. I knew that, and I had a position open. It was almost break even. It was up and down, and I had the idea that usually these programs they just close your trades. And it's the first time I let the position just close on its own when market closes, and all the other positions on my trade copier they with the apex and Tradify they close, no problem. But this one they stayed open, and then I said, holy shit, it didn't close the trade. And then when the market reopened, position was still open, price started moving again. I closed it right away at about like negative $14 or something, and maybe 30 minutes later or so, I just got the accounts closed up. So yeah, don't. I knew that, but I thought the prop firm was just gonna close the account for me. So right now, I don't have any more accounts with Stratify, but that's okay because I did take payouts from this account. So we go here, withdrawal request. I took three payouts from this account, right, equaling $1,500. So that's okay, you know. I'm not gonna take more of these accounts with Take Profit Trader. What I would do is with the other accounts, I'll fund my own account and live account and just start trading that for like $2,000 or something and do that. Now, on another note, I've been having some red dates. This is the month of what's it called? Freaking April. I mean March. March was good. On overall, before I was 50 some thousand in profit made, but now it went down substantially because in April, right? I have this huge, especially this day, right? And it was not this strategy not working, it was me not following my strategy and entering just random trades, you know. I had a plan after this day. I'll say, man, for this week I wanna trade small and get to the end of the week and then request a huge payout from all the accounts, right? It's gonna be around $16,000. And I got anxious and I couldn't wait for my signals. I couldn't wait for my setups to happen, and I was just entering ahead of time. I saw the price moving, and I'll enter on FOMO. Just many trades that I, you know, and if and then I'm gonna show my drawdown available for all these accounts. I also blown one of the accounts from Tradify that I also took payouts from this account right here, right? I got blown on this day, okay? But if we go to, this is the account ending in 19, okay? I think I took two payouts from this one. Yes, you see over here, 2,000 from this one time, and then 2,000 again over here. So it's okay, not bad. That account is gone. I got now more accounts over here. I have 4 accounts. What else? So now you see, right, on April, this date. Remember, it's not like I lose 15,000. Well, I did, but it's I'm on a bunch of accounts and evals and everything. Okay. Um, So let's see, this is April 7th, the 8th, and the 9th, okay? And I started sizing down, right? Uh, as the days went off, right? These 3 days, me not being disciplined. So let's go to the chart. April 7th, 8th, and the 9th, okay? It's not gonna show my trades, but let's see what. Okay, so April 7th. This is April 8th. April 7th. Okay. It started over here. April 7th. Okay. I ain't got this strategy on the bottom. That's new. I didn't have this one. Let's just go. I'm gonna turn it off. Right. Let's just go by the main one that I used. This is where it says long short. Okay. On April 7th, there was no signals in here all the way until the New Year session. I should have on April 7 one trade. Would have been a loss. Done. That should have been it. That big day. That's what happened when if you have a strategy and you don't follow it. That should have been a one trade day for me. Okay. And instead, I entered all kinds of. I probably went short over here, and then it went up against me, and it all over the place. Okay. So that's that. Then on April 8th, right, this day, I had this long signal. I got that one. I was up, and then I started messing around, and ended up losing on the day. Okay, with this, I let this one, I let it stop me out, and in the red for no reason instead of securing profits. This is on April 8th, right? April 8th over here, okay? And all those days, this would have been a great trade. Look at this. Got the long signal over here. I did take that one, but small size. And I was up for the day. That should have been it for me. But even if I took this one over here, okay? Could have been up a little bit, 12 points, and then this one took me out. But then instead, I held it, and it went against me. Okay, over here too. Should have went short, and this one he take profit, but I cut it short because I was not in the right set of mind. I didn't trust my setup. I don't know why. And I remember this one, I actually closed it ahead of time, like at 20 ticks or something, right? I think I remember that one, and yeah, it actually ended up hitting the 100 ticks take profit. Okay, so I'm now getting my shit together again, and slowly coming back up. Okay, this one was a loss. It was just and over here, no trade, no trade, no trade, and I was probably messing around doing a bunch of shit, taking trades that I shouldn't have been taking. Now, luckily, I didn't lose any of the PA accounts from Apex, but some of them have very little drawdown, like in the 300s. Okay, the other ones have over 1,000, over 2,000. I'll go over them here real quick. But so let's see how much drawdown available we have to play with. Now, as you can see, this one here is now my lead account, right? Because and I'm trading with 1 micro, and on the other account that have more drawdowns, I'm multiplying by 2 or 3. Okay, so if we go here to Tradovate, let me turn this back on again. We go to Tradovate. Let's go to Tradovate. I'm gonna enter. Let's see, it's out with 35 accounts. Okay. So on this account, I took a payout from this one. Let's see. Yeah, from this one, I've taken 1 payout from this account right here, ending in 17. I have available $1,100 of drawdown. Okay, this account I have 1,327. Now this account I have not taken payout from this one, but I had to take this one to almost $6,000 because I went over my consistency rule. One day, one of those Trump tweets, market shot up and went over my consistency rule. So that one I had 1,300 approximately on drawdown. This one I have 1,100, and on this one I have 1,900. Okay, 1,900. And I'm trading 3 micros on these accounts. Okay, 3 micros. Now, when it comes to Apex, okay, let's start with this one here. This account from 29, 30, and 31 is the one that I have the higher account balances, and I've taken payout from these ones. Okay, so let's start with this one, 29 PA account, 1,300. Okay. Then on this one I have 2,361 drawdown available. And on this one I have 1,300. Okay. Now on the rest of this PA account I have very little drawdown. Might as well be none. But you know, I'm gonna trade with 1 micro and for however long it takes and see if I can slowly come out of the drawdown on these ones, okay? Because I have not taken payout from this one. So 300 on this one. Then on this one I have 300 also. 300, basically 300 on all of them. And 300. And this one I have 300. And this eval I have 1,874. Okay, so if you can see, that's what happens when you don't follow your own rules and you don't wait for your strategy to give you the setup, you know. Now my copy trader, I did take a trade today. Okay, on this signal I took a trade over here and went up a little bit, and then I had the warning exit long position over here. Okay, entry over here was up a little bit. You got the warning exit long position, and I have moved my account around here right below the EMA. Then this candle again went up. I said okay, I'm gonna stay in the position, and then I got taken out with this one over here, our small loss. Okay, so that's it today so far. Like I said, I'm gonna trade this account. I'm gonna lead with this one. If I go back to my copy trader, okay, today there's what else I'm say? I'm leading with this PA account, 1 micro, and then on the TradFi accounts, right? If you can see, I'm multiplying times 3, and this Apex account as well, the 29, 30, and 31, I'm multiplying times 3. The rest is 1 micro. Okay, so that's gonna be it for a while until I get these PA accounts drawn down to like at least 1,000 or 1,200, and then however long it takes, then I'll probably increase size to 2 micros and go off from there. So lessons learned: always wait for always wait for your setup. If you don't get a trade in a day, you don't get a trade in a day. Who cares, you know? What else? Now we wait. Let's see if we can get another setup. is well, market is in a no trade zone for me right now. But if I get another signal, I'll take it with 1 micro, and we'll see. I added this other indicator over here, which is to anticipate the I call it move anticipation, okay? And what it does is it tries to anticipate the moves, right? Like over here, it anticipated this cross down, and over here, it also tries to anticipate my other long signal indicator, right? So over here, went up. It's like a reversal type of indicator, okay? And it's working pretty well. Actually, I have to add it to my strategies in TradeZilla. I did not. I added this indicator yesterday after this happened, okay? So that would have been a nice long signal entering over here, right? Versus 57 points later, right there, you know. So yeah, that's it for today. So I'll keep updating. Let's see how the trading day ends today. Only one trade so far for today, basically break even, and let's see what happens. This war in Iran is messing me up, man. The market, it doesn't really go in one direction. It's just headlines driven, you know. I think you know it's going one direction, and then get a headline and it just goes totally the opposite direction for with no freaking warning at all. The structure, the price structure, it doesn't loses all meaning, you know, when you get a headline. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.